Hey, welcome to my channel. First of all, I want to thank you for watching my videos. We are bringing you tips and helps, and even helps for small business owners and or ministries. We love doing the videos. So, we ask you to subscribe, share, and go below and connect with us on our social media channels. This is James, and I love having you here. We hope you enjoyed this video, and we look forward to bringing you more info. So make sure you share. We will be right back and bring you the info for this video. Hi, this is James again, and I would like you to subscribe, share, like, and go below and connect with us on our social media channels. Today, I'm really opening up myself and just showing how I am doing or not doing. I've been looking at some analytics on the YouTube channel. I've tried YouTube advertising. I've tried I do keyword research and different things such as that. One of the things that I am noticing that in the YouTube advertising, I'm only getting a little bit more analytics out of that than what I am in YouTube search. So I'm going to be very transparent, open my channel up, and show you what's not happening. I don't have a lot of subscribers. I'm not one of those huge YouTube channel gurus. I do know how to make videos. I'm a video ranker. I know how to make them show up in YouTube search. So I'm kind of just being open today and show you this is the backside of analytics, and you can kind of look at your analytics and maybe this will help you, encourage you that you just got to keep plugging away and keep hitting it to just consistently put out videos. That is the key. It's been about 3 months since I have consistently started putting out videos, or 2 months, and I'm just going to keep plugging away. So I just want to give you a transparent look at the backside of my analytics on my YouTube channel. Hope you enjoy. Please like, subscribe, share, and go below and connect with us. We appreciate you watching, so I'm going to go to my channel. Okay, here is the backside of my channel, and just this is on the analytics, and there again, this is not very good at all. But I did use my channel intro, and that basically, if someone that logs on to my channel and is not subscribed, this is what they show. I have a welcome video asking them to subscribe, and I actually did a test and did the advertising with that. I advertised. So what I want to show you here is I did get some views and the watch time, and if you look in all of these other views, it's not very good. The average time is only 38 seconds. The impressions, but what I wanted to go over and show you here, look at the difference here. Is YouTube advertising, that is with paid advertising, and then the generic YouTube or the organic YouTube search. So, yes, I did get a lot of views out of the advertising, but what I'm wanting to show you here is there is not much. It's a little improvement, but without paying for YouTube advertising, I am just a little below what I've been paying for YouTube advertising. So this shows me that I can rank the video, and if you look, 2346 impressions, and the impressions click-through rate 4.7. So if you look at this, the watch time is a little bit higher, but this stands out to me, that this is really important. This shows me that I'm doing right in the YouTube search. and I do keyword research, and so this right here, there's not that much difference. Yes, I do have more views, but this is more quality views here. And so I need to now ask myself, and for you, for your analytics, is it worth me advertising, or do I just keep consistently putting videos out there keyed in on the keywords? So let's go ahead and jump through here. Geography, there's not a whole lot here. Watch time hours and viewer age probably won't give me a whole lot, because there's a lot of protection on YouTube now. Okay, the date here is that, let's just see how I did. Not too well. Okay, not subscribed. This is another thing to look at. I'm getting more views from non-subscribed than subscribed. So that tells me I'm showing up in YouTube search. So that is the key. Subscription source. Okay, playlist. Okay, this is another key area. The playlist, showing where they come from. And again, I'm not into the device type or anything. So I want to go back. Let me just do the YouTube product here. Okay, and nope. Let's just take a quick look. I just want to look through all these. Okay, let me go back to this and finish with this. I'm just trying to really show you, be transparent and show you what is happening. I pay for YouTube advertising and only get the watch time 53.1%. With not paying in the organic search, with me, the organic search lasts longer, because once you get up there, it stays. I'm only a little over, basically 12% less in organic search. So it is starting to pay to not pay, basically. This kind of gets you out there, but the organic search, it is not that much difference. And look at the impressions I get just from organic search and the click-through rate. So again, I'm asking myself, is it worth me paying for YouTube advertising? So I just kind of wanted to show you some of the background, and just kind of I wanted to be transparent, and I've really decided to hit the YouTube hard. I'm doing 3 videos a week. I'm doing some testing of scheduling some old videos, and I'm hoping to bring some analytics and some more transparency to my YouTube channel. So just wanted to show you this. Thank you for watching. Ask you to like, share, and join in with us. Subscribe. Thank you for watching. We trust you have a great day. We'll see you on the next video.